Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shafiqah Binti Mohd 2729333 and my group member is Rushda Binti Abdul Rahim. We will present chapter 6, which is subtopic level 3. Definition of level 3. Label the vertices or edge of a diagram to indicate that the diagram is being used for a particular purpose. The vertices represent as dot and show the label of each vertex next to the dot representing that vertex. The label tree known as the order tree. The graphical representation for expression above known as the label binary tree. In this tree, the root is labeled with the central operator of the main expression. So it means, for example, 2 plus 1, the central operator, it will become the root. So it's plus 2 and 1. The offspring of the root are labeled with the central operator of the expression for the left and the right argument. First, we need to know the order of operation in maths. The highest one is bracket. The second level is divide and multiply. The lowest is plus and minus. This operation maths is very important to this example. I give a very simple question to make it easy to understand, which is open bracket 2 minus 3 close bracket multiply open bracket 4 plus 5 close bracket. As I explained just now about the order of operation in maths, the highest, middle, and the lowest. Then back to the question, we need to identify the operation. So here we have two bracket here. Bracket. So the middle here is the root. Below down here is the answer for this question. As we already know, the middle here is the root. Then we put it in here. Next, we focus on the left side, which is 2 minus 3. We take the operation minus and the left and 2 and 3. So it will become like this. So we go the other side, 4 plus 5. So it will become like this. From this 3, we can read like this. 2 minus 3 multiply 4 plus 5. Same goes here. We need to know the order of operation in maths. Bracket, divide, multiply, plus, and minus. Then back to the question, we need to identify the operation. So we have a two large bracket in here, and here. So the middle here is the root of the tree. Below down is the answer for the question. As we already know the middle here, then we put the root here. Then we focus on the left side here, which is 7 plus 6 minus 2. We look in the bracket again, this 6 minus 2. Then we take the minus here. Then we become the 6 minus 2 here. After that, we put the 7 plus in here. So we look the another side, which is x minus y minus 4. We look again in the bracket, which is y minus 4. So we become like this, y minus 4. And the other x minus, it will become like this. Okay,
we have another example here. Okay, first we need to identify the first priority, which is the bracket. We have one here, and then another big one here, and inner bracket first, and then second inner bracket. So we solve the left side first. Division will be the root for x and y. Okay, done with left side. And then we do the right side. We do the inner bracket for the first. So we do the left x multiply 3. So multiplication will be the root of x and 3. And then on the right side, inner bracket z divide 4. So division will be the root for z and 4. And then we minus. So the minus will be the root for the inner bracket here. And then after we got the left side and right side, we can do the main root, which is the division. So division will be the main root of all of this expression. Let's move to another example. Okay, as usual, we need to identify the first priority, which is the bracket. So we have a big one bracket here and have a inner bracket in it, and then we have another big bracket and two inner bracket here. So we solve the left side first. Okay, we do the inner bracket here, 2 multiply x. Okay, multiplication will be the root for 2 and x. And then we solve the bracket here, 3 minus with the expression we do before. Okay, done with the left side. So we solve the right side. Okay, we do the inner bracket here, x minus 2. Minus will be the root for x and 2. And then we do the right inner bracket, 3 plus x. So plus will be the root for 3 and x. And then after we done with left side and right side for the inner bracket, we do the minus. So minus will be the root for both of this expression. And then we have done for the both side, so we add plus. So plus with the main root for all of these expression. Okay, we look at the final example here. So first we identify the first priority, which is the bracket. So we have big one bracket here, and then this bracket, and then inner bracket here. On the right side, we have big bracket here, 2, and then this bracket and inner bracket here. So we solve the left side first. So we do this expression, x plus y. So plus will be the root for x and y. And then we do this bracket, y minus with this expression. So minus will be the root for y and this expression. And then we do the big bracket here, x plus b, these two expression. So plus will be the root for x and this expression. And then we done with the left side, we do the right side. Okay, we do this bracket here, 2 multiply with 7. Multiplication will be the root for 2 and 7. And then we do this bracket, 3 divide with this expression. So division will be the root for 3 and this expression. And then we do the big one bracket here. These two expression will multiply with 4. So multiplication will be the root for 2 expression here and 4. So we done for the both side. So multiplication here will be the main root of all these expression here.